It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it. What everybody's looking at is some footage that we shot last year at the International Boat Building Exposition. It's called IBEX, and it's over in Tampa, Florida, and there's actually quite a story behind this trade show. You see, my son Jonathan and I were there for about an hour, and I get a phone call from my wife Tracy, and she's like, "When are you guys getting home?" I'm like, "Dear, we just got here. What's going on?" Hurricane Matthew is making a straight beeline for Jupiter, Florida. Okay, guys, we immediately packed up, we drove across the state, and we were in all-out hurricane prep mode. We've got 2 buildings that we need to deal with, a couple of houses on the water, 20 different boats, and our other boat shop, where we do a lot of grinding and painting and everything else, that was jam-packed full of our project boats. And I had just bought this building right here, and I was very concerned with my wife's 19-foot Boston Whaler Nantucket, which is right back behind me. Now I want you to take a look at this 10-foot tall garage door, okay? You'd think you could get a little center console in here, 19-footer, no problem. But take a look at the height on this T-top. It's actually about 10 foot 3 inches tall. Now we removed the anchor light from the top of the T-top, and we tried to get it into the opening, and it was still about 3 inches, a little too high. Bert had a great idea. He said, "Hey John, what if we deflate the tires on the trailer, we lower it, and we could get it in?" I mean, we're in freak out mode. I mean, major hurricane coming at us. It was still just a pinch too tall, and Hayden and I, right, got on the T-top. We're cranking down on the hoop frame to try to get it in, and we did kind of stuff it in, but we damaged the top of the T-top. We actually scratched some paint on the building, and we damaged our shade, and we kind of compromised some of the powder coating on this thing. Now this T-top originally was anodized, and it was pitted. And back when, we had it stripped, and we had it powder coated. And what I've learned is when you break anodizing from an aluminum T-top, inevitably you're gonna get corrosion, even if you repowder coat it, okay? It's gonna lift, and we have some of those problems. Now this year, at the International Boat Building Exposition, I saw launched a new product that is not only gonna solve my problems, but a lot of your guys' problems as well. It's a folding T-top from a company called Fishmaster, and it's good looking. It's not like some of these that you've seen that are kind of square and ugly and everything that you're going to put on the boat. This thing is sexy as all get out, and today we're going to learn about the advantages of this. Maybe you want to get your boat into a garage door. All right, small boat with a T-top, hard to do, all right? You'll now be able to do it. I'll now be able to do it. Maybe you have a fixed bridge. Like in Jupiter, we have this train bridge. It's down a lot. I would love to be able to get this whaler underneath that train bridge any time of the day I want, and we're gonna solve that problem. But first, where we need to begin is we need to acknowledge all the wonderful companies in the marine industry who help make ShipShape TV possible.